2:30 p.m. Thursday, July 30th, 2015, here in Kings, Brooklyn, New York. I think we got a storm coming. It's getting dark. The clouds are starting to appear, and I think the rain core is directly ahead of me. Let's see. Yeah, let me stop right here. Got your clouds up there. You got some down there. I think what's down there is the rain core. There's only one way to find out. Vanity's here again. We got a rain core, folks. I think we do. See, this is your dark. That's what I'm in. I'm in the darkness right now. Then you got your clouds moving off in the distance. That looks pretty nice. I don't know whether to talk or to just shut my mouth. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shut my mouth and I'm going to let y'all just see this because it's beautiful. Uh-oh, I got hit by a raindrop. Folks, that is Meteorology 101. I told you that was going to be the rain core up there, and now the rain is beginning to fall. Unbelievable. The Vanity's Beast done did it again. Forecasted a storm. Alright, let's see what this storm cell gotta do. The storm cell's gonna do. Did I lose my rain core again? I'm not chasing no thunderstorm. It's not even a thunderstorm, it's just a little rain shower. Intensity of the rain done picked up. That's for sure. I wasn't expecting. I'm never expecting a huge downpour. The smell of fresh rain.
I done stood here for too long. The rain is now starting to let up. All those big loud rumbles some of you might be hearing is actually thunder. I don't see any flashes of light. I really don't. Only in Brooklyn, everybody's in a rush to go nowhere. Only in Brooklyn, everyone is in a rush to go absolutely nowhere. That storm cell kind of blew up and got strong real quick. Well, that's the end of this video. I am assuming this video might be 10 minutes or even 11 minutes long. In any event, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more storm action from the one and only Divinity's Beast, aka Meteorological Weather Lab.